What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make $100 per day typing even as a beginner. So one of the questions a lot of people ask is, how can I make money typing? I love to type, I'm always at home, I always have my computer. What are some of the ways that you suggest that I can make some money? And I want to show you a few different options, actually 3, that you can start making money right now. So before I get into the rest of the video, I just ask if you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe if you want more videos just like this. But let's jump into the video. So in just a second, I'm going to show you 3 different options. Now, before I get into this, one of the hardest things people have about writing is, what do I write about? I have writer's block. How do I get over that? Well, there's one thing you can do, and that is you become a transcriptionist. Let me show you. So there are actually 3 different websites. I'm going to show you 2 of them are maybe sites you've never heard of, just like this one. This one's called TranscribeMecom. All right. So just type in TranscribeMe.com and you'll land on this page. Okay. From here, you can click on this, join as transcriptionist. Okay. But what you need to understand is how people get paid. Obviously, you're getting paid for the amount of work you're putting in. So if you look right here, we pay more than others. We have whatever, starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour. And top monthly earnings at $2,200, average monthly earnings around $250. So what does that really mean? So you're probably thinking, what is an audio hour? Well, it's simply like this, okay? You get an hour's worth of audio. Let's say it's from some, dental person or from a doctor, and it's an hour of just them talking. And you got to type everything. So if you type 50 words per minute, it's going to take you a little bit longer than it's going to take somebody that writes 100 words per minute. Okay? So the faster you are with typing, the more money you're going to be able to make. And also, the more jobs that you can go through so that you can move on to the next one. Now, here's something that most people are going to ask. Well, can anybody do this? Well, yes, anybody can. There's no experience or upfront investment needed. All you got to do, click join and go sign up. Okay? Then you choose the different topics that you want to actually write on, that you want to transcribe. It's that simple. Here's another website. Okay? This is called dailytranscription.com. Okay? You can go over there, click on careers, and then you can see where it says we can join the team. And you can see right here, they pay between 75 cents and 85 cents per audio minute. Okay? So you got to understand, you got to figure out how you can break that down. 75 cents per minute. If you write 100 words per minute, that means you're going to be getting paid about what? 75 cents per minute? That's pretty good. Okay? You got to understand, when the more you can write, the faster you can type, the better you're going to do, and the more money you're going to get made. Now, I want to show you something that most people aren't going to show you. So if you've ever tried TranscribeMe or daily transcriptions, you can comment down below and let us know kind of what you think. But here's the real key. Here's what I tell people to do. Now, you can go to those sites and they do pay you and you do make some money. I have a few friends that do that. Now, they're not millionaires. They're not making $20,000 a month, but they're making money. They're making ends meet. They're paying their rent. They're paying their mortgage, all that stuff. But here's what I want you to do, all right? And this is what I tell most people to do that just get into it, is you need to run your own business. Look at this right here. This is on YouTube. Now, you probably know what YouTube is because obviously you're watching this video. So what I did is I typed in how to cook chicken curry. Now, why did I do this? So I typed in how to cook chicken curry for one main reason. I want you to control your business. I want you to make more money than those transcription companies are paying you. Now, how can you do that? Well, you can come over here to YouTube. So let's say I come over here to YouTube and I find a YouTuber that, one, they don't have any of the closed captions, and number 2, they have a website, but they don't transcribe their videos and put the content on their site in written form. That's what I want you to do. So here's what I mean, all right? Now, and we can go through and we can click filter and we can filter these out if we want to and just use the most recent, and I'd recommend that. But I'm just going to come right through here, just find something. So here's one that was done a year ago. Tasty Curry Chicken by Food and Cooking. All right, so if I go to their page, okay, here it is. So if I come to their page right here, Food and Cooking, 217,000 subscribers. If I come over here to videos, it's going to show me all the videos that they've created. 4 months ago, 8 months ago, 8, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, year. Anyway, look here. You see it says CC down here. Okay, so they have their captions. They have already written. Now, videos on YouTube already come with captions. Let me show you that really quick. Okay, so if I click on this, it's already going to come up with the captions. I'm going to mute that. And I can click on settings. Okay, and just a second. Let me pause that for a second. Alright, so that other video that I just showed you, that I just got done showing you, that one actually didn't have closed captions, and it wasn't even on, it wasn't even enabled, so they didn't have the CC. So you don't actually click on settings. It's a button right here. You click on it, and it will turn it on and off. Okay? When it's on, you'll see red underneath it. When it's off, you won't see it, right? So you can see right here, he's talking, alright? So it's probably auto-generated, no big deal. But here's the key, and this is what so many people struggle with, and this is what I want you to take away from this. So, like I said, I want to show you how to make $100 a day. Well, how do you do that? Well, most companies, and even some of the ones that YouTube recommends, if you want to get your video transcribed, they cost about $1 a minute. Some are $2 a minute, some are even higher than that. But most of them are right at $1 per minute. So how do you jump on this and make money? So what I actually do and what I tell most people is, number one, you need to offer that closed captions. You need to be able to do it for somebody. Because if you can do it at $1 a minute, number one, if it's a 10-minute video, you can make $10. Now it may take you 15 or 20 minutes to actually do that, but you only need 10 videos at 10 minutes long to do this. Okay? Now if someone's talking really fast and they're really excited and there's a lot of words coming out of their mouths, kind of like I'm doing right now, it's going to be a little bit harder on you. But if they talk really slow, they're teaching somebody how to cook chicken curry, how to make the perfect steak, they're talking very slow, it's a lot easier to type because you're still getting paid $1 per minute. So just understand, go to those channels that the people talk very slow. Don't come over to my channel and think you're going to be able to make a lot of money because I'm talking very quick. It's a little bit harder. It's a little bit harder to transcribe what I'm saying, exactly what I'm saying. Okay, so that's a tip for you. Second tip, all right, let me show you something. So here's the second tip, which is big, all right? So go find a channel. It could be any channel. It could be on cooking. It could be on fitness. It could be on how to make money online. It could be on stocks. It could be on whatever, okay? Parenting, I don't care. Because honestly, everybody can use closed captions. Because number one, it does help your video rank a little bit better, just a little bit. But number two, it actually helps you get on to the Google search engine when you can do the closed captions. You put that whole content, all your captions, into written form and put it over on a blog. Because now it gives you a link back to your video, plus you have the search engine traffic going right to it. But here's what I want to show you. So this is the channel I was just at, okay? So I came here and look at uploads, all right? 5 days ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. So this just shows, number one, this person is still active. They have almost 500,000 subscribers. But here's the key. Find somebody that's active, plus come over here and look at their related channels. Not the featured channels. The related. Because these are channels that are very similar to this person's channel. And what that tells me is, if this person hires me, these people might hire me because I can say, oh, Taste of Trini, I just want to let you know that I'm actually doing the closed captions over on Caribbean Pot. So if you want kind of the exact same thing he has going on, just let me know. This is what I charge. This is what I can do for you. Now, the reason why I show you guys this stuff is because, number one, I absolutely love YouTube. There's so many ways to make money on YouTube, from actually doing YouTube videos, from doing affiliate marketing just on YouTube, teaching people how to do YouTube advertising, doing all the thumbnails, changing titles, writing descriptions. There's so many different ways. Plus, there's transcriptions, okay? You can transcribe the videos, do the closed captioning for that person, and you can make money. You can build links back to those channels. You can create additional channels. You can comment for those people on YouTube. There's so many things you can do to make $100 per day. But what most people don't understand is the easiest ways to make money are by not actually recording the videos. The easiest ways are to help other people get their videos seen. Now, I do have one other tip I want to show you really quick. This is something that I haven't shown a lot of people, but I'm going to show you because I think it's pretty important. If you want to use this exact strategy, make $100, $200, $500 a day, whatever you want to charge, okay, you can do that. But here's the key. So let's say I want to do something on Prove It. Okay, it's one of the network marketing things I do a lot of business for and help other people, help coach them. So let's say I write Prove It review. Okay, here's what I want to do. So right here on Prove It review. So you can see it right here. Okay, ketos, they got all the stuff. Cool, all right. Bunch of people. Now, keto or Prove It review. Okay, I typed it in. Now I'm going to click on filter. Okay, I want stuff that was done, let's say within the last month. Okay, so I'm going to click that. Now, here I am with people that have done anything on Prove It review. Okay, so it might be in their title, might be in their description, might be in one of their tags. But what I'm going to try to do here is I want to contact these people. So like this person right here, 4.5 thousand, and it was done for 4.5 thousand. And Ashley Salvatore, she did that video, what, a couple months ago. So right here, I'm on her channel. Okay, all I need to do is come over here, click on videos, and I come to relate it if I want to. And let's just see, does she have closed captions on any of these videos? And from what I see, it's a bunch of no's. Okay, so like this one, keto snacks. I'm gonna open that one up, and let's just see, does she have a website? Or is there a way she is trying to get people, look at this one, how to start keto, 1.3 million views 6 months ago. Okay, and is she trying to funnel traffic from YouTube over to a website? Okay, here's a website here, beginyourexperience.com. Let's go check it out. So here we are on our website, beginyourexperience.com. You can see it right here. Okay, and this is the Let's Get Started section. Okay, so learn more, pick your 10-day kit, all this stuff. But she also has a blog. So we click on that, come to the blog. Now, this one posts on April 13th, 2018. Okay, and what is it? Heart Tart is everyone's, whatever. March 25th. But how many videos is she doing? I did one 3 weeks ago, a month ago. Okay, I'm doing this in October. So that just shows you that these are kind of outdated. Okay, so this one was in September. That one was in September, August, July. You get the point. Okay, what I'm trying to show you is there is ways for you to help this person, help Ashley Salvatore, help her actually get more out of her channel. Okay, even she might not get the most views or whatever on her YouTube videos, but you can help her get views and help her get traffic to her website by actually taking that content that she just did here. You could even recreate it because she's giving you the whole idea. Will Diet Coke kick you out of ketosis? You can write a whole article on that, and she can pay you to do that. All right. So just by listening to what other people are already talking about, what they're saying, what their videos are doing, okay, or you can come to some of these different websites here. There's a lot of options for you guys. All right. So you got to keep that in mind. Now, the last thing I just want to show you, it's so easy to connect with people because a lot of people have Facebook pages, Twitter pages, Instagram accounts, Pinterest, a blog, YouTube channel, or their email. A lot of people put this right in their description of their YouTube videos. If they don't, come up here to the About Me page, okay? And a lot of times they have an About Me there, or you click View Email Address down here, and you're good to go. Now you have a way to actually contact that person. So like I said, if you learned anything, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. But the key to this video is you need to run your own business, all right? If you want to make the most money possible, you can make good money on TranscribeMecom, and you can probably do very well. You can pay for a new car and get yourself a nice house, nice place to live, get yourself the fancy clothes. But if you want that mansion, you want that Ferrari, you want that month-long vacation, you might need to work for yourself. And that's why I'm introducing you to YouTube and showing you how YouTube can actually pay you. Okay, YouTube is just a platform. That's all they are. YouTube is just a platform. I use it. You probably use it as well. But utilize it the best of your ability to make some money. Okay, and that's why I'm saying go over to YouTube. You're here already. Start now and find somebody that you can actually transcribe videos for. You can write additional articles about the same topics you're writing videos on or doing videos on. Number 3, start posting that stuff to their website. Help them out. Give them more content over on Facebook, or just utilize what they're talking about right now and put that onto another platform. That's all you got to do. All right, so if this video helped you out in any way, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.